Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. You don't have to root your phone. For this one you have to download and install Gboard iOS. The app link you will get in video description. You just have to click on the title of the video. You will get the app link and then you have to install this application. After the installation you have to open this application, click on enable in settings and then you have to enable Gboard iOS. Click on OK and then you have to click on select input method. From here you have to select Gboard iOS. Click on set permissions, click on allow and then you have to click on done. Now you have to select the preferences. From here you have to enable long press for symbols. Go back and now you have to select the theme. You can select any theme. We'll select this one and then you have to enable this one and you have to apply. Now you have to open Facebook or any messenger to test your emojis. We'll open Facebook and then we'll click on emojis and here you will find all the iPhone emojis. So in the same way you can also get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.